Hello, and welcome back to Andy's Origami for Kids. Hello! Okay, so today we're gonna today we're gonna make Today we're gonna make an origami airplane, or whatever you want to call it. It's simple, I'll tell you that. And it's a request from Toe Chop. I know him in person, but I'm not gonna say his name. Okay, I'll say his name. Gabriel. Neat, right? Okay, let's get started. Dang it. Let's fix this. Not happening. Yeah, you can see me. Paper moving. Okay. So, first you wanna fold it in half, hot dog style, or long-sided, whatever you wanna call it. No. So, next you wanna take this edge, fold it along this crease. Do it this way too. Okay, and now you want to do that again. Take this edge and fold it along this crease, and same thing on this side. Do it on the other side. Okay, do it one more time. Now fold it this way so that this comes out. That crease, sharp, whatever. And it zooms up a little bit. And you have your paper airplane. Neat, right? Okay, you fly it. I'm not gonna show you how to fly it. Okay, fine. Maybe just a little bit. Okay. Yeehaw! That wasn't much of a show you, but let's change back to my normal stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.